Good morning, students. Today we will study about non-Mendelian inheritance, which include incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple allelism, polygenic inheritance, and polytropy. Incomplete dominance. It is the inheritance in which the offspring show characteristic intermediate between two extreme parental characteristic. Example of the flower, that is snapdragon, that is dog flower, or 4 o'clock, that is mirabilis jalapa. Here, first generation, that is one flower is red, other is white. If it is crossed, then a pink color flower obtained, which is entirely different from their parent. When again this F1 generation is self crossed, then one red, two pink, and one white plant obtained. This shows that genotypic ratio 1 is to 2 is to 1, that is one red, two pink, and one white phenotypic ratio, and genotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1. Here phenotypic and genotypic ratio are same. This means that is capital R, which is dominant red color, was not completely dominant over small r, that is white allele or gene. P plant also show incomplete dominance in other trait. Codominance. It is the inheritance in which both alleles of a gene are expressed in a hybrid. That example is ABO blood grouping in humans. ABO blood groups are controlled by the gene I. It controls the production of sugar polymer antigens that protrude from plasma membrane of RBC. Gene I has three alleles, IA, IB, and I. IA and IB produce a slightly different form of sugar. Allele I does not produce any sugar. Here we can see antigen A, blood group A, antigen B, blood group B, antigen AB, that is blood group is AB. Antigen, neither antigen A or B, the blood group will be O. The genotype of different blood group. If father IA and this is I, if mother is B and I, then the cross between this will be AB, A, B, O. This we can understand with the another flow chart. Yes, parent 1, parent second, means one is father, one is mother. Then if both of them have AA, then the blood group will be A. Both have AB, then blood group will be AB. In both A, other is only I, that is A. AB or BA, that is if it is interchange, that is again AB. B and I, that is again B. I, that is O. Absence of A and B will leads to O only. When IA and IB are present together, they both express their own types of sugar. This is due to codominance. Now that is third, that is multiple allelism. It is the condition in which more than two alleles govern the same characters. Example, ABO grouping system, that already we have seen. Now Genic inheritance. It is the inheritance in which some traits are controlled by three or more genes or multiple genes, human skin color, human height, etc. Polygenic inheritance also take place in account the influence of environment. In a polygenic trait, phenotype reflects the contribution of each allele, that is, the effect of each allele is additive. Human skin color. Assume that three gene A, B, C controls human skin color. The dominant form A, B, and C responsible for dark skin color and recessive are responsible for light color. The genotype with all the dominant allele darkest the skin color, and the genotype with recessive allele will now lightest skin color. Genotype with three dominant color plus three recessive color, that is intermediate skin color they will give. Thus the number of each type of alleles in the genotype determines the darkness or lightness of the skin. Now pleiotropy. Here a single gene exhibit multiple phenotypic expression. Such a gene is called pleiotropic gene. In most cases, mechanism of pleiotropy is effected on a gene on metabolic pathway which contributes towards different phenotype. Example: starch synthesis in pea, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, etc. Phenylketonuria and sickle cell anemia are genetic disorders in which the mutant gene exhibit many phenotypic effects, that is, phenylketonuria result in mental retardation, reduction in hair and skin pigmentation. Here we can see that is skin, that is single gene. Pleiotropy multiple trait A, B, C means that single gene can give three type of trait, that is pleiotropy. Thanks for today.